In order to make our all-new 9 Series round balers better, first, we had to make them stronger. And strength starts at the core. It begins with the new industry-leading diamond chains, adding greater performance and durability to the drive system. Enhanced Driveline adds over 20 hours more John Deere quality baling before your next service interval. While the redesigned output shaft is built with larger bearings and support for increased uptime, a faster gate cycle time provides up to 5 seconds of improvement for speedier bale ejection. And new larger tires offer greater shock load absorption and higher flotation for work over any terrain. With 12 new models, we've made advancements from the bottom of the series to the top. Take the 459 standard. Available converging wheels help you gather scattered hay more consistently. And an added bale ramp option gives you true rollaway clearance. And then, here's our new premium line, featuring new gold wing doors to service many of the baler's components more quickly and easily, greatly reducing downtime. And it's perfectly complemented by a 2-year, 12,000 bale warranty, along with loads of other exclusive features for serious commercial baling. Like the all-new, industry-first tractor baler automation technology, which increases speed and production and reduces operator fatigue. This is how Stronger's designed. And this is how Stronger performs. Introducing the all-new 2013 John Deere 9 Series round balers. Stronger to the core.